when everything around us feels very uncertain in life, fast moving, how do you personally anchor yourself in morning uh, to be able to step into a day with strength and intention of, getting it done every single day?
It's very simple, Anu. Just like how we wake up in the morning, we wake up and we do a regular, refreshing ourselves. We want to have a breakfast, want to have a coffee, tea. Why do we do that? Because it's a part of a process. It's part of a lifestyle. Similarly, all of this also, it's like if you can practice this as a part of your daily ritual, daily morning ritual or evening ritual, or a part of your system, automatically you're grounding to it. You are setting yourself into it. Yes, as a beginner, as somebody who's never done that, if I ask them to wake up at 4 a.m., they're going to say, no, 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 it's not my time. You don't have to do it at 4 a.m. You don't have to do it at, you just wake up. By the time you have your first coffee, you have about 15-20 minutes. You can start with one thing, probably just a gratitude message, or just one affirmation or one manifestation. And you can even do you can while we can even do while just drinking some water. They don't have to sit in a grounding position or a meditation position to incorporate any of this. They can It's all in their mind. So your mind travels with you throughout. For example, right now, just before our our interaction, I was having my intention prayer. You never realized I was doing it, but I was doing it. So it's all in the mind, how you can take things. And for somebody who wants to have a better life, somebody who wants to bring miracles in their life, if they see this can transform them gently, and the real change happens, the real healing happens, why not?
Great. Thank you. Thank you for that. The other question that comes to my mind is in your experience as a life coach and emotional wellness mentor, how have these rituals helped your clients, especially in terms of improving the areas of health, wealth, relationship, and career goals? Because these are the major aspects of everyone's life. And I truly feel that, if the four areas are in alignment, your life is a way too good and you can have that courage to do everything. So would you like to add something to it?
you you just said the exact words I'm going to say right now, nothing further. For example, all my clients who have reached out to me so far, they just feel that they have just told me that how simple a gratitude has helped them. How simple a gratitude journaling has made them realize their self-worth. How a simple gratitude has made them realize how abundantly they're actually blessed in life. Okay. And one of my client, they joined only for morning ritual. They didn't want any other help further. But now, after they finished the morning ritual, and I gave them a challenge of 21 days to follow that, now she wants to sign with me for my next further sessions. So it's so magical because it gives them the basic foundation, and seen how it is helping them. Now they want to get into a next level of my interaction because they want to help themselves. So simple things, when you put it out to the world, because they see it in them, they see the real changes in them. That's what the same thing you said, the courage, the confidence, the clarity. It brings us very purpose of the same things, the same words you said.
Great.